Well, all right. Welcome back to Audrey's Reading Area. Thank you guys so much for joining me again and subscribing to my YouTube channel, Audrey's Reading Area. Now, the very exciting and fun book that I have to read to you today is The Know-It-All Kitty and the Peanut Butter Factory. The Know-It-All Kitty and the Peanut Butter Factory. Let's see what it says. This book is written by Kathy Jernigan and it's illustrated by Carol Backus. The Know-It-All Kitty was sleeping in the forest on a bed of straw. Yum. He's thinking about all that peanut butter there. He woke up hungry for the nutty taste of peanut butter. He went to see his friends, Tori Kitty, Molly Kitty, and Lena Kitty. They invited him into their house. On the table there was bread and jam and butter, but no peanut butter. No peanut butter. How can I get peanut butter? Wondered the kitty. You'll have to ask the lake wizard, said Tori Kitty. The wizard will know the secret of finding the peanut butter factory. Snarled the kitty. He hated to go into the water, and even in his underwater suit. Okay, he sighed and ran to the lake. The Know-It-All Kitty put on his underwater diving suit. He dove into the cold lake and swam to the lake wizard's cave. What is it this time? The wizard chuckled in a friendly voice. What is it this time? I need to know where to find the peanut butter factory, said the Know-It-All Kitty. For someone who knows it all, you sure need to know a lot, laughed the wizard. For a know-it-all kitty, huh? Sure needs to know a lot. That's funny. When he knew the secret, the know-it-all kitty swam back out of the lake. He sneaked through the woods to the factory. It was very shiny and very silver and very large. The Know-It-All Kitty saw an opening at the back door. He wiggled inside and then, bonk, 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 the alarm went off loudly. Bonk, 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 bonk. Yikes, he yelled. His hair stood on end and his eyes bulged out. Shaking all over, he ran to a red cabinet. The cabinet was marked free peanut butter goodie bags. The Know-It-All Kitty took 7 goodie bags and stuffed them into his sack. He ran outside the factory. Whew, that was close. The Know-It-All Kitty took the sack of peanut butter to his friend's house. Took the sack of peanut butter to his friend's house. They ate and ate until their bellies were full of peanut butter and jam. The kitties fell asleep on the rug and dreamed of days where there would be more peanut butter and jam. Wow. The end. The end. Wow. Wasn't that a fun and exciting book? Thank you guys for being here with me as I read these fun and exciting books to you at Audrey's Reading Area. Thank you. Don't forget to share these videos and hit subscribe. I will see you soon.